Hello viewers at home. Welcome to online teaching of St. Charles College Onitsha. I am Chukwudebe Chineze from French department. So sit back and enjoy your lesson. Les objectifs spécifiques. À la fin du cours, les étudiants seront capables de 1. Mentionner le quatre classifications de moyens de transport. 2. Les exemples de chaque transport. What this place is trying to tell you is that at the end of the lesson, the students should be capable of 1. Mentioning the 4 classification of means of transportation. Then 2. The examples of each transportation. Au Nigeria, il y a 4 majeures classifications des moyens de transport. Ils sont 1. Le transport routier, 2. Le transport aérien, 3. Le transport maritime, 4. Le transport ferroviaire. In Nigeria, there are 4 major classifications of means of transport. They are 1. The road transport, 2. The air transport, 3. The train transport, and 4. The water transport. You get that at home? Dans le transport routier, in the road transport, remember we said le transport routier is the road transport. On peut voyager en voiture, en bus, à camion, à moto, à vélo, à camion ou à pied. In the road transport, on peut voyager means what? One can travel en voiture in a car, en bus in a bus, en camion in a wagon, à moto on motorcycle, à cheval on a horse, à vélo on a bicycle, à camion on a donkey, ou à pied on legs. These are the different means of transportation using road transport. Pour le transport aérien, for the air transport, remember we said that le transport aérien is the air transport. Pour le transport aérien, for the air transport, on peut voyager en avion ou en hélicoptère. One can travel in aeroplane or in helicopter. That's for the air transport. There are 2 different means of transportation in the air transport. They are 1. The aeroplane, 2. The helicopter. Le transport maritime, the water transport. Water transport, as you know, comprises of the boat, the ship, and the canoe. Le transport maritime, which is the water transport, comprend le bateau, the boat, la pirogue, the ship, un canoe, and the canoe. Pour le transport ferroviaire, for the train transport, on peut voyager en train, which means what? One can travel with a train. Tous les moyens de transport sont bons. All the means of transportation are good. Mais c'est le voyageur qui choisit le moyen le plus adéquat pour arriver à sa destination. Which means what? What do I mean by that? It means that it is the traveler. C'est le voyageur means that it is the travelers qui choisit le moyen de pour, which chooses the means of transportation le plus adéquat, more adequate pour arriver, for arriving at sa destination, to his destination. Do you understand what I just said? Tous les moyens de transport are good. All the means of transportation are good. And what are the means of transportation that I just mentioned? One is what? We have le transport aérien, that's the air transportation. We have le transport maritime, the water transportation. We have the transport ferroviaire, the train transportation. And number 4, we have the transport routier, the road transportation. So we now say that tous les moyens de transport sont good. All the means of transportation here are good. but it is the travelers which chooses the means, that's the transport that he wants to use, that is more adequate for arriving to his or her destination. Mais c'est le voyageur qui choisit le moyen le plus adéquat pour arriver à sa destination. To comprendre, you understand? Beaucoup de monde, everybody préfère voyager. Everybody prefers to travel on avion, prefers to travel with aeroplane. Selon eux, according to them, l'avion est ideal, rapide, et confortable, which means what? According to them. Selon eux means what? According to them, the aeroplane is ideal, rapid, et confortable, and comfortable. Quelques-uns, some people, descendent quand ils aiment le train. Some people say that they love the train. Parce que, because, c'est amusant, because it is amusing, it is funny. La circulation est normale, and the circulation, the movement of the train is normal. Et c'est moins cher, and it is less expensive. Les autres préfèrent la voiture. The others prefer the car ou la bus or the bus. Ils disent que they say that c'est moins cher, that it is less expensive. What did I say here? I said that some people say that they love the train. Quelques-uns disent qu'ils aiment le train parce que c'est amusant. Some people say that they love the train because it is funny and amusing. La circulation est normale et c'est moins cher. The movement of the train is normal and it is less expensive. Les autres préfèrent la voiture ou le bus. The others prefer the car or the bus. Ils disent que c'est moins cher. They say that it is less expensive. C'est rapide et c'est moins risque. It is fast. C'est rapide means what? That it is fast. Et c'est moins risque, that it is less risky. Les jeunes aiment bien la moto. The youths, les jeunes means what? The youths. The youths love the motor. What do I say that motor means? Motor means what? The bicycle. Selon eux, c'est très rapide, it is fast, amusant, funny, et intéressant, and it is interesting. So what we are going to learn from this lesson here is that all the means of transportation here are good. Remember, I named it before. The fourth means of transportation, the transport ferroviaire, the transport maritime, the transport routier, and the last one, le transport maritime. C'est le voyageur qui choisit le moyen le plus. It is the choice of the travelers to choose the means of transportation more adequate for arriving to his or her destination. Beaucoup de monde préfère voyager. Much of the people prefer to travel on avion, prefer to travel through air, that's the transport ferroviaire. Selon eux, l'avion est ideal, rapide et confortable. According to them, the aeroplane is ideal. Rapid means what? That it is fast, that you can reach to your destination very fast. Et confortable and comfortable. Quelques-uns, some people, disent qu'ils aiment le train parce que c'est amusant. Some people say that they love the train because it is funny. La circulation est normale et c'est moins cher. It is normal and it is less expensive. Les autres préfèrent la voiture ou le bus. The others prefer the car or the bus. Ils disent que c'est moins cher. They say that it is less expensive. C'est rapide et c'est moins risque. And it is fast and it is less risky. Les jeunes, what did I say les jeunes means? Les jeunes means what? The youths aiment bien la moto. Which means what? The youths love the motorcycle. Selon eux, according to them, c'est très rapide, amusant et intéressant. According to them, it is more fast, it is faster, funny and interesting. Chaque moyen de transport à son avantage et son désavantage. Each means of transportation has its own advantage and disadvantage. Au Nigeria, in Nigeria, il y a beaucoup de problèmes de transport. In Nigeria, there are many problems of transportation. Il y a le problème de ébouteillage. There are the problems of bad routes. Quelques avions, trains, voitures, bus ou motos ne sont pas en bon état. Some aeroplane, remember we said that avion means what? Aeroplane. Train means what? Train. Voiture means what? A car. Bus means what? A bus. And motor means what? A motorcycle. All these means of transportation that they said that they are not in good state in Nigeria. Il y a beaucoup de problèmes de transport. There are many problems of transport. One of them is what? We have the problem de ébouteillage of bad road. And all these means of transportation, that's the train, the aeroplane, the bus, the car, the motorcycle, they are not in good state. They are not in good state. The roads, les routes, which means what? The roads, ne sont bien grundement, are very bad. There are potholes everywhere in our roads, causing what? Accidents. Les accidents dans la route. Dans la route. Des accidents dans la route pour le problème. Il y a aussi beaucoup d'accidents. There are also much accidents on routes. Le gaz et l'essence sont trop chers. The fuel and the gas are very expensive in Nigeria. Beaucoup de chauffeurs, much of the drivers, sont aussi très négligents. Much of the drivers are very negligent. They don't mind anything. They just, once they enter the car, if they are bus drivers, they just enter the pothole and drive on bad road. They don't want to repair the cars. The car might be in a bad state. They will still carry it like that and come out, thereby causing accidents. They don't care about the passengers inside the car. So my dear students, what this lesson is trying to tell you today, remember the topic is les moyens de transport. The moyen de transport, voyager. What this part is trying to tell you is that each means of transportation, chaque moyen de transport, a son avantage et son désavantage, has its own advantage and disadvantage. Au Nigeria, il y a beaucoup de problèmes de transport. In Nigeria, there are much problems of transportation. Il y a le problème d'embouteillage of bad roads. Quelques avions, trains, voitures, bus ou motos ne sont pas en bon état. Some aeroplanes, trains, cars, bus, motorcycles are not in good state in Nigeria. Les routes ne sont bien grundumées. The roads are very bad, potholes everywhere. Il y a aussi beaucoup d'accidents. There are very much accidents. These are the problems that we have in Nigeria. Problems of transportation. Il y a aussi beaucoup d'accidents en route. There are also much accidents on the road. Le gaz et l'essence sont trop chers. The gas and the fuel are very expensive. Beaucoup de chauffeurs sont aussi très négligents. Much of the drivers are very nonchalant about their work. They don't mind anything. Les expressions et l'anglais. The expressions in the lessons of today. So you repeat after me. Répétez après moi. Numéro 1. Moyen de transport. That means what? The means of transportation. Numéro 2. The transport route. The road transport. Numéro 3. Le transport aérien. The air transport. Numéro 4. Le transport maritime. The water transport. Numéro 5. Le transport ferroviaire. The train transport. Numéro 6. Voyager means what? To travel. Numéro 7. Voiture means what? A car. Bus means what? A bus. Un camion means what? Wagon. A moto means what? Motorcycle. A cameo means what? A donkey. A vélo means what? Bicycle. Jeune means what? Youth. Un avion means what? Aeroplane. Un hélicoptère means what? Helicopter. Un bateau, a boat. Un pirogue, a ship. train, train, intéressant, interesting. C'est moins risque. It's less risky. Evaluation. Number 1. For testing you for our lessons of today, you have to answer these questions below. Number 1, numéro 1. Combien de moyens de transport on a Nigeria? How many means of transportation do we have in Nigeria? Numéro 2. Pour le transport ferroviaire, on peut voyager en quoi? For the train transport, on peut voyager en quoi? A. En train. B. En voiture. C. En avion. D. En camion. You have to choose the answers here. Numéro 3. Pour le transport maritime, on peut voyager en quoi? For the train transport, on peut voyager en what? A. En voiture. B. En train. C. En pirogue. D. En canot. Numéro 4. Mentionnez les 2 exemples de transport aérien. Mention the 2 examples of air transport. Numéro 5, that's the last one. Écrivez les 2 exemples de transport routier. Write the 2 examples of road transport. Resume. For the conclusion, the students should take their notes and prepare for their next lesson. This is my teacher's WhatsApp contact. If you want to contact me, you can use this number 070-3566-8962. Thanks for listening. Merci beaucoup.